Welcome back. Good evening. You're watching the newsroom edition of Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. Let's begin the broadcast with breaking news coming in. Statement by Rahul Gandhi on Constitution on the Samvidhan has led to a massive showdown between the BJP and the Congress. Congress MP and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi has sparked a fresh row with his comments on the Indian Constitution. Rahul Gandhi said that the key document is thousands of years old and contains the thoughts of B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Guru Nanak, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sant Kabir.
तो लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि ये संविधान 1947 में लिखा गया था और मैं उनसे कहता हूं नहीं, ये संविधान हजारों साल पुराना है। तो लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि ये संविधान 1947 में लिखा गया था और मैं उनसे कहता हूं नहीं, ये संविधान हजारों साल पुराना है।
We have Niyamika get us more details on that. Niyamika, Constitution war reignited once again after Rahul Gandhi's statement claiming that the Constitution is thousands of years old. हजारों साल पुराना है संविधान.
Yes, indeed, the row has erupted over the statement which is being given by the Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, during the Samvidhan Samman Sammelan in Patna. As in that particular event, while addressing the people who were being present there, Rahul Gandhi had mentioned that this Constitution of India was not, written in 1947. It is actually thousands of years back when this entire Constitution was being prepared. To which now the BJP had started questioning Rahul Gandhi, stating that it is not just historically incorrect, but also it is an insult to B.R. Ambedkar and his ideas, the manner in which he had, put in efforts to prepare this constitution. And for that reason, they have stated that it shows that the real ideology of the Congress party as the Samvidhan Bachao Sammelan is basically it's merely a slogan on the part of the Congress party. But in reality, the Congress party doesn't respect B.R. Ambedkar. The Congress party doesn't respect the Constitution of India. But now it is the Congress leader, Pawan Khera, who is also the CWC member. He has responded over these charges of the BJP and stated that the actual meaning of Rahul Gandhi's statement was that the ethos of Constitution of India is based on the teachings of various saints of our country, what is being taught by Guru Nanak Dev or Kabir Das and Tulsi Das and other saints of our country. On the basis of those teachings.
Niyamika, stay on with us. We also have Pragya joining us on the broadcast. Before we go across to Pragya, we have some more breaking inputs on the broadcast. I believe BJP has responded on Rahul Gandhi's statement claiming Samvidhan is 1,000 years old. Let's once again listen into that reaction, then we'll tell you how the BJP is responding to this entire controversy.
तो लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि ये संविधान 1947 में लिखा गया था और मैं उनसे कहता हूं नहीं, ये संविधान हजारों साल पुराना है।
अब उन्होंने ये बयान में कहा कि भारत का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सिर्फ 1947 में नहीं लिखा गया। शायद श्री राहुल गांधी जी को पता नहीं कि भारत का संविधान 26 नवंबर 1949 को लिख के तैयार हुआ। इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने संविधान दिवस 26 नवंबर 1949 को किया है। संभवतः ऐसे ही भटके हुए नौजवानों को समझाने के लिए संविधान दिवस की आवश्यकता थी और कांग्रेस उस संविधान दिवस का स्वागत नहीं करती थी और प्रकारांतर से विरोध करती थी। अब यह समझ में आ रहा है कि उनकी संविधान के प्रति समझ कितनी सतही और हल्की थी।
Pragya is also with us on the broadcast. Pragya, BJP says such statements from Rahul Gandhi about the Constitution is only an embarrassment for the country.
Not just an embarrassment, this is also BJP is very cautious about these statements coming from Rahul Gandhi, because this is the narrative that Congress built in 2024 and BJP believe that it is because of this misguided and misinformation and disinformation campaign by Congress around the Constitution and about the reservation that they could not achieve the target that they had set for and they could not get the majority. So in a way they also are conscious of the fact that such misinformation and campaign that Congress launches time to time around Samvidhan to target Dalits harm them at some point of time. And this is exactly why today JP Nadda is addressing a workshop where they will be ensuring that at least 2 lakh speakers who can speak on constitution and what Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar stood for and how Congress disrespected and how Congress indulged in constitutional transgression and violation can be spread across the people. And this is throughout the country that they are going to do that. So this is a counter attack by the BJP, not just because they understand Rahul Gandhi is Congress party and Congress party is Rahul Gandhi. They are very sure of the fact that whatever Rahul says is implemented in Congress, irrespective who is the president. And this is the reason why they take everything he says very seriously, because that is the campaign that Congress launches. And in fact, they had seen that there are people who are likely to believe about the disinformation campaign, and it is their right as a political party to show what they did for Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar and what they're doing for Dalits, and it is they that are standing for the constitution and not
All right,
Congress.
Pragya and Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. In fact,